This week, I photographed 3 completely different sessions. A business passion portfolio, then an editorial photoshoot in a snowstorm, and then beautiful Valentine's Day boudoir session. Same photographer, completely different roles. And if you're new on my channel, I am Daria Koso, fashion photographer. Let's get started. I barely can open my eyes. Today we're doing photoshoot in the studio. It's gonna be professional headshots for the website, for Instagram, for the book, but we're planning to do it more in the fashion way. We're having the whole team. We have makeup artists, wardrobe stylist, and we're gonna do a ton of content today. Let me show you. We started with that first look as a warm-up. Since this shoot is for a business portfolio, I wanted everything to feel classic, clean, and timeless. Ooh, have this hairstyle. So these images can work for her for a long time. We also made sure the outfits match her brand styling and color palette. So for the next look, we switched it up with gray and blue instead of the usual black and white. And honestly, these headshots are so good, super unique, polished, and exactly what a modern businesswoman should look like. So we already shot 3 outfits. The third outfit we combine in 3 other outfits in one outfit, which is absolutely insane, but looks so cool, and we bring in even more content. So for the whole photoshoot, I decided to use classic lighting, which is gonna be timeless for portfolio, for the website, for social media. For the first outfit, it was with the white background, high key. And for 2 other outfits, it was very classic lighting from the white background to dark gray. That was amazing, and stay tuned, we're gonna shoot 2 more outfits. We even having a perfect match cake for a photo shoot with the logo and brand coloring. Then we went more playful, perfect for social media and for showing personality. If you run your own business right now, people don't just buy what you do, they buy you. We just wrapped this awesome photo shoot. Today we're shooting with gorgeous model Nina.
Hi everyone, my name is Nino. I'm a founder of Bogat Aesthetics and Wellness here in Hallandale Beach.
Yeah, so that was really cool photo shoot. What was your favorite outfit? I know it's hard to pick, but...
It's really hard to pick. We had lots of different outfits. All of them were great. But my favorite outfit is your look today. It's a final look. Hopefully, I'll get very nice pictures from it.
Oh, for sure. It's a lot of good ones. Why was doing this photo shoot?
I was doing this photo shoot because we are opening a med spa and we wanted some pictures for our website, some Instagram pictures for the book. So I'm pretty sure Daria and her team did an amazing job, and we're gonna get a lot of beautiful and nice pictures from this photo shoot.
And what I really love about today's photo shoot, because basically it was headshots for business portfolio, for website, and like you mentioned, for the book, for the Instagram, but we made it like differently. We made it more like a passion shoot, so it's not just regular headshots. And I think we got so many great photos. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Daria. Thank you.
Okay, I am on the way to Chicago. Actually, right now in the airport, trying to find the gate. Flying tonight there. I had a photo shoot earlier today in Miami. Oh, like me, it's going to be a storm there, like right on the day of shooting. But I'm excited. And the Limico, stay tuned. Okay, I just landed. It seems it's gonna be very, very cold because when I just stepped outside the plane, oh my gosh, I'm scared to go outside. I hope I'm gonna survive this trip. Okay, that's the moment we're going outside. It's not that bad. I was thinking it's gonna be worse, so I think it's fine. I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna survive, yeah. Let's go. Let's go to the hotel where I'm gonna stay. I got to the room pretty late and I have just a couple hours to sleep. And tomorrow morning we have this great editorial photo shoot. So good night, and for you it's gonna be just a few seconds, but see you in a bit. My winter look, and I'm ready to go for breakfast. So meanwhile I'm waiting my breakfast, let me share what's our plan for today. We start in early morning. Actually, ladies already doing makeup and hair. We're gonna start shooting at the hotel nearby. Then we're gonna do some outdoor shots, and of course today is Snowstorm, so it's gonna be tricky and challenging, but I think we're gonna manage it. Then we are planning to shoot at the studio, and then we're gonna shoot night shots outdoor again. I think it's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned.
Bring it right back, wear it like that, move it like that, like it like, do it like that, kiss it like that, making it fast, bring it right back.
Because it was literally a snowstorm, we decided to start inside first. And honestly, it was the perfect match for the location and this gown look. I wanted a more dramatic vibe, but the space was still really dark. So I used on-camera flash to make it work. And it came out so good. The next look is one of my absolute favorites. I wanted that paparazzi style lighting, edgy, a little chaotic, and like you just got caught looking iconic. For the third look, we started by the piano inside, just to grab a few frames and warm up a bit before going out into the storm.
Okay, we made more noise earlier. That elevator.
Yeah.
That's nice, very nice.
So they're so pretty. I'm in love. My legs look so.
Very nice.
Oh my god.
We stepped outside, right into the snow. That's where the magic happened. Those outdoor photos are the most beautiful, epic and main character energy shots. Okay, we survived first photo shoot outdoor with the snowstorm, and it was amazing. So we shot already 3 looks, all in the Palmer Hotel. It was absolutely amazing. The first one was very like editorial, like gala inspired dress, like you meeting some person going to the opera or ballet. Then we shot very edgy and cool, stylish look in the elevator. I think it was perfect match with the green color and warmer tones. And then the last one was the most challenging one, shooting outdoors with the snow. But the shots, absolutely worth it. my god, this panther on the shoulder is just like, oh my god. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. And as soon as we got to the studio and I saw this classic black suit with the panther, I knew immediately this is a cover, like no question. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, like this. That's very nice. Just finished shooting first outfit in the studio and it's going to be like first of the day. I was thinking to start shooting with the daylight, but then I switched for the lighting. So let me show you what kind of lighting setup I had. It was Octabox, this one, and then it was another source for the background. It helped me to create very even, nice picture with the not a lot of shadows, but still like glamorous and editorial look. For the next outfit, which is completely white, I wanna still shoot with the daylight to have this very soft, natural lighting, and I think it's gonna be very nice. So stay tuned. And if you already enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit this like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and let's keep shooting.
Oh, I wanna know what it feels like. Oh, I wanna know what it feels like.
Yeah, it's like, oh my god.
Yeah, oh, like that beautiful.
Let's go walk it so much. Yeah. And that's a wrap of the photo shoot. I think it came out really amazing, especially the last look what we shot. It wasn't planned, but I was so happy that we shot it because it was just perfect. The location, all those accessories, gold matching with the gold background. I think it was like one of our best outfits of today. Let me know what do you think, what was your favorite look. And so overall, 8 hours of shooting. We did 3 different locations, we could say that, and we shot 8 different looks. I think it's a great job. Oh my god! So windy! I barely could open my eyes. Oh my god! So we decided to go high in a building and
My gums are cold.
show your pose. No? And like, yeah, and we going for dinner. We can survive those 5 minutes. Oh! Looks so yummy.
Risotto.
And that's a wrap of this editorial winter in Chicago shoot. I think it was amazing, even it not was as planned with the snowstorm, but it came out even more amazing than I thought. And we got a print cover of Glamour magazine, January issue 2026, the perfect start of the year. You see, today we have a total red setup, and you know what this means? We're shooting for St. Valentine's Day. That's very credible photo shoot. Let me show you who is our model today. Oh my god, it's so blind, I'm blind. Oh, meet our gorgeous model. Hi everyone. And that's our look. So let's start shooting. This year, I wanted to do something fresh, a Valentine's Day shoot with a totally different vibe. So I came up with this idea of layering fabric on the background to add texture and depth. Then, of course, we brought in a little red light, and for the key light, I used a spotlight like you would see on a stage to give it that Moulin Rouge energy. What I have learned that different shoots require different energy, and that's what makes this work so interesting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
So I try